All right, welcome to the Money Talk Show TV. I am your host, the Money Coach, baby. I am the motivator, the inspirational power investor to help you get into the stock market, baby. I created this channel to help anyone and all new investors to start getting some money, start investing. I want to build generational wealth. I want everybody to start getting some assets instead of liabilities, baby. So that's why I create this channel. So your first time joining in, please hit that like button and subscribe, because definitely we definitely giving out jewels and good information. I am not a financial advisor. I'm gonna get to the disclaimer, get it on out the way. Not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude, the motivator, baby, the educator to help you get into the game, baby. I tell you what I'm doing and what I am learning in the stock market to help motivate and encourage all new investors, baby. Okay, so since I'm not a financial advisor, don't be coming trying to sue me about no stuff. Do your research, baby. That's my main thing. Do your research. All right, let's get into the video. Now, please stick around to the end. I got some very good plays at the end if you want to stick around. But today's video is Nano Dimensions and their direct offering. Okay, I made a couple of videos about Nano Dimensions. I am invested in Nano Dimensions. Okay, all right, let's get into the Nano. There's news going on from Yahoo Finance. Bitcoin has been on a tear recently and has surged past its all-time high. The ripple effect is being felt by a plethora of companies associated with the leading cryptocurrency. One of these is Clean Spark, ticker symbol CLSK. The microgrid software specialist recently purchased of Bitcoin miner ATL data centers has provided a serious boost, and shares are up 115% since the start of this month. The acquisition has already yielded results. Last Friday, CleanSpark announced it had mined 10 Bitcoins in December. One Bitcoin is currently roughly $23,700. Now, Bitcoin been moving up, okay? So the company had also said it had put in an order for 500 extra mining units, which will be placed at the ATL location in Atlanta, Georgia, and are expected to arrive in mid-January. The news followed the release of the company's latest quarterly results. In FAQ 20, revenue hit 1.95 million, indicating negative 16% over the year drop and missing estimates by 0.17 million. While earnings came in at a loss of 0.14 per share, the figure beat Street's call by 10% and significantly improving the last year EPS loss of $2.59 for the same period. Overall, in the fiscal year 2020, CleanSpark saw revenue increase by 122% to $10 million, baby. Let me read it one more time. Overall, in fiscal year 2020, CleanSpark saw revenue increase by 122% to $10 million, more than doubling for the third consecutive year. Okay, so that means 3 years they've been doubling. Let's get into it, baby. Look ahead. CleanSpark expects revenue of $28 million for the fiscal year 2021. The forecast is based on core energy and digital agency segments bringing in $20 million, and the recently acquired Bitcoin mining operation added another $8 million. Okay, I'm feeling Nano. Okay, me and my wife made a video about Nano. All right, last night. Hey, we in there. But let's get back to the direct offering. Okay. Now, Nano had a couple of direct offerings. I know you're asking yourself, what is a direct offering for the new investors? Okay. A direct offering is pretty much a company trying to build capital cash. Okay. For example, hey, you got a company, they need to make some moves, need to get some more stores, some research, some better products. They make a direct offering. So pretty much give you an example. If their stock is worth $5 on a regular, okay, they might make a direct offering for $4.50 or $5 to big companies. The reason why they do that is the big companies, they got big money. They're not just putting it on the regular stock. They got big money, so they can buy millions if you give a direct offering. So pretty much they selling it for cheap. That's all they doing. They selling the stock of their price for the low because they got some things they want to do. They need some money. So they talking to these big companies. Look here, you know what we doing. We talking to each other. We communicating. And if they see the vision that you doing, they liking it, they going to invest with you. Okay, cool. Man, we buy millions of them. That's what ARK Invest is doing right now. Kathy Woods, she's, man, buying millions of nano dimensions, okay? So what I do is I follow the big dogs. I told you I am not, been doing this for years. So I know how to find game, baby, okay? So people who have been doing it for years and been making money from it, them the people I watch. I see what they doing. I try to make the moves before they make the moves, or when they make the moves, I see why they make the moves and when they make the moves. So I move just like that, okay? So Kathy Woods moving on Nano Dimensions. Now that direct offering brought the price down, okay? The direct offering, that's what happens. I've been with Nano for a while, okay? They have had a couple of direct offers. I ain't gonna lie, I'm looking a little tired of it, but I understand they need more money. They trying to build 280 million more dollars so they can get that research. They need more 3D printing machines. They need more research, baby. They doing big. So if a company, a big dog company like ARK Invest is still rolling with them, still rocking with them, and buying more and adding more to all the ETFs, baby, I'm rocking with them. So don't think this price dip right now is dipping. Last time I looked at it, it was like $8.44 today. That's a buying opportunity. Okay, get in the nano. That direct offer ain't scaring nobody, baby. It ain't scaring me. Okay, they ain't do nothing but just building more money for the future, baby. So Nano Dimensions is planning on going to skyrocket. I need that for everybody in the family. Nano Dimensions, baby. That's what we doing. Okay, that's what I'm doing. That's what your boy, the Money Coach, doing. I'm rocking with Nano. So don't be scared of no direct offering. Direct offering is pretty much a company trying to get more money to make bigger moves. I like that. Okay, your boy's in there. So I'm rocking with it. Nano Dimensions, okay? You do your research and you decide if you want to ride on a nano sprocket rocket shift, okay? Because it's going up, okay? It's at 844. I believe this going to be back at the 10 within a week or two. Watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Gonna get back at that 10 about a week or two. Then we hit that 10, 11, 12. So this is a buying opportunity. Get in Nano Dimensions now. If you believe in the company, do your research first. And remember, my motto, baby, get into the stock market and be blessed to invest in yourself. From the Money Coach.
moneytalkshowtv.com